The rainforests of South Asia represent an unparalleled wealth of biodiversity, housing a complex interdependence of species that sustain the ecological integrity of the region. This rich tapestry of life not only captivates the imagination, but also underscores the urgent need for effective conservation measures. Protecting these essential habitats is crucial not only for the wildlife that calls them home, but also for the broader health of our planet. In the dense undergrowth of the rainforest, the lesser mouse deer employs a variety of strategies to locate food. As a herbivore, its diet primarily consists of leaves, fruits, and tender shoots, which it forages for during the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. This crepuscular feeding pattern not only maximizes its access to food, but also minimizes its exposure to potential predators. The lesser mouse deer is equipped with a keen sense of smell and acute hearing, enabling it to detect the slightest rustle of leaves or the presence of other animals. Its small size, averaging only around 50 centimeters in length and weighing between 4 to 5 kilograms, allows it to navigate the dense foliage with remarkable agility, remaining hidden from both natural predators and human hunters. However, the lesser mouse deer's life is fraught with danger. In the rainforest, it must constantly be on guard against a variety of threats, including larger carnivores, such as leopards and pythons. Yet one of the most pressing dangers comes from human activities. Habitat destruction due to logging, agriculture, and urbanization has significantly reduced the lesser mouse deer's natural habitat, forcing it into smaller, fragmented areas where food sources are scarce. Additionally, hunting poses a severe risk, as these animals are often targeted for bushmeat or for the exotic pet trade. The lesser mouse deer's timid nature and tendency to freeze in response to threats can sometimes work against it, making it vulnerable in the face of human hunters who exploit its natural instincts. To survive in such a perilous environment, the lesser mouse deer has developed a range of adaptive behaviors. Its coloration, a blend of browns and grays, provides effective camouflage against the forest floor, allowing it to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. When threatened, it often relies on remaining motionless, a strategy that can be effective against both predators and hunters who may overlook its presence. Additionally, the lesser mouse deer exhibits a high degree of caution, often feeding in areas that offer ample cover and retreating quickly at the slightest hint of danger. The lesser mouse deer is a fascinating example of nature's resilience and adaptability. Its intricate foraging behaviors, combined with its vigilance against threats, illustrate the delicate balance of survival in the rainforest. As human activities continue to encroach upon its habitat, it is imperative that conservation efforts are prioritized to protect this remarkable species and its ecosystem. By fostering a greater understanding of the lesser mouse deer and the challenges it faces, we can work towards ensuring its survival in the wild, allowing future generations to appreciate the wonders of this extraordinary creature in its natural habitat. The rainforests of South Asia are more than just biodiversity hotspots, they are vital lifelines for the planet. Their preservation is not only a responsibility, but also a necessity for maintaining ecological balance and sustaining future generations. Despite their richness, these rainforests face significant threats from deforestation, agriculture, and climate change. Conservation efforts are critical to preserving these irreplaceable ecosystems. Initiatives like community-based forest management, wildlife corridors, and sustainable tourism are helping protect the region's natural heritage. Primarily herbivorous, the dusky leaf monkey exhibits a preference for a diverse array of leaves, fruits, flowers, and seeds, making it a crucial player in the rainforest's ecological web. The sheer variety of food sources they consume speaks to their adaptability and the rich biodiversity of their environment. Often seen deftly maneuvering through the treetops, these monkeys have evolved to specialize in coping with the particular nutritional challenges presented by their leafy diet. Their complex digestive systems are particularly suited for breaking down the fibrous material found in numerous species of foliage, allowing them to extract necessary nutrients efficiently. The quest for food in the vibrantly lush rainforest is not merely a survival tactic, it also reveals the remarkable intelligence and social structure of the dusky leaf monkey. These primates often forage in groups, employing a spontaneous form of cooperation and communication that enhances their ability to locate and access food. Vocalizations and body language serve as essential tools in alerting companions to the presence of nutritious resources, facilitating a collective effort that showcases their social bonds and reinforces group cohesion. Moreover, the foraging behavior of the dusky leaf monkey has significant implications for ecosystem health. By consuming various plant species, they play an integral role in seed dispersal, contributing to the growth and regeneration of the rainforest. As they eat fruits and leaves, they inadvertently aid in the propagation of a myriad of plant life, facilitating biodiversity. This symbiotic relationship illustrates how the foraging habits of individual species can have far-reaching impacts on their environment, making the dusky leaf monkey not merely a participant in the rainforest, but a pivotal contributor to its ongoing vitality. The dusky leaf monkey's pursuit of food in the rainforest is a fascinating intersection of biology, ecology, and social activity. Their remarkable dietary habits, coupled with their social dynamics, highlight the intricate relationships that exist within this biodiverse ecosystem. As these monkeys navigate the treetops in search of sustenance, they exemplify the beauty and complexity of life in the rainforest, illustrating how even the quest for food can be a reflection of the delicate balance of nature. The dusky leaf monkey, with its charming antics and ecological significance, indeed embodies the allure of rainforest life. Yummy, amazing, and irreplaceably vital to the environment that nurtures it. The rainforests of South Asia represent not only a sanctuary for diverse wildlife, but also a critical resource for the entire planet. Their preservation is not merely an environmental issue, it is a moral imperative that reflects humanity's responsibility toward nature. Protecting these ecosystems ensures the survival of myriad species and maintains the ecological balance essential for future generations. Thus, the rainforests of South Asia undoubtedly deserve recognition as a true gem of our wildlife heritage. In the vibrant tapestry of the rainforest, where life thrives amidst the dense foliage, the Indian muntjac, a small but remarkable deer species, embarks on its daily search for sustenance. This particular morning, the canopy above drips with moisture from the previous night's rain, creating a symphony of sounds as droplets cascade onto the forest floor. Within this lush environment, the muntjac must navigate its surroundings with an acute awareness, for it is not merely foraging, it is also evading the ever-present threat of hunters. The Indian muntjac, known for its distinctive bark and elusive nature, is a creature of both beauty and vulnerability. As it forages for tender shoots, leaves, and fruits, every movement is an exercise in caution. The animal's sensitive hearing and keen eyesight serve as essential tools in a world fraught with danger. The rainforest, while abundant in resources, is equally a landscape of peril, wherein predators and humans alike pose significant risks. In this delicate balance of seeking nourishment while avoiding detection, the muntjac embodies the primal struggle for survival. The sound of rustling leaves and the scent of damp earth may signal the presence of a hunter, compelling the animal to rely on its instincts and agility. The rainforest, a sanctuary for many species, is simultaneously a battleground where the survival of the fittest is echoed through the whispering trees. As the Indian muntjac continues its quest for food, it remains vigilant and aware of its surroundings. Each cautious step reinforces the notion that survival hinges on an intricate dance between life and death in the natural world. The morning unfolds with an air of both beauty and tension, as the muntjac exemplifies the resilience of nature amid the lurking threats of the rainforest. In this ever-watchful environment, the life of the muntjac is a testament to the fragile yet tenacious spirit of the wilderness. As the seasons change and the air grows ripe with the promise of renewal, a remarkable phenomenon unfolds in the tropical ecosystems of Southeast Asia. It is in this vibrant tapestry of life that the banyan tree, with its sprawling roots and majestic canopy, produces its small, succulent fruits. When the banyan fruit reaches maturity, it heralds the arrival of a grand gathering, particularly attracting the magnificent great hornbill, Buceros bicornis. This annual event, characterized by both spectacle and communion, exemplifies the intricate relationships between flora and fauna within ecological communities. The banyan tree, revered for its resilience and grandeur, serves as a vital contributor to the biodiversity of its surroundings. Its fruits, rich in nutrients, become a critical food source for various avian species during their breeding season. Among these, the great hornbill is perhaps the most iconic participant in the seasonal feast. With its impressive size, distinctively curved bill, and vibrant coloration, the great hornbill is not just a participant, but a symbol of the wilderness itself. This bird plays an essential role in maintaining the ecological balance, as it aids in seed dispersal by consuming fruits from the banyan tree and subsequently excreting the seeds, thus facilitating the growth of new trees. Each year, as the banyan fruit ripens, a distinct rhythm is established in the surrounding environment. The arrival of the great hornbills marks a time of abundance and celebration within the forest. Their calls resonate through the trees, creating a chorus that signals to other species that food is plentiful. This phenomenon underscores a significant aspect of interspecies relationships. It is a time when competition gives way to communal gathering, revealing a complex interplay of survival and sustenance. Moreover, this spectacular congregation showcases an essential facet of nature, the interconnectedness of life forms within an ecosystem. The great hornbills, while feasting on the banyan fruits, inadvertently play an instrumental role in their ecological surroundings. As they navigate through the trees, the hornbills inadvertently pollinate flowers and spread the seeds of various plant species across considerable distances. Therefore, the gathering not only serves as a feeding frenzy, but also as a symbiotic interaction that perpetuates the life cycle of the forest itself. The seasonal gathering of great hornbills amidst the ripening banyan fruits embodies a celebration of nature's abundance and interconnectedness. This event not only highlights the importance of the banyan tree as a crucial food source, but also illustrates the remarkable interdependencies that sustain ecological communities. As we observe such natural phenomena, it becomes imperative to recognize the necessity of protecting these ecosystems to ensure that future generations can witness and partake in the splendor of this remarkable life cycle. By fostering an appreciation for such events, we can cultivate a deeper understanding of our role within the broader tapestry of life on Earth. The Asian elephant, Elephas maximus, holds a significant place in the ecosystems of Southeast Asia, acting not only as a keystone species, but also as one of the most charismatic representatives of the rich biodiversity that characterizes the region. Among the numerous habitats that support these gentle giants, the hill rainforest mountains present a unique and dynamic environment where Asian elephant families engage in their foraging behaviors. As they traverse the undulating terrain, these magnificent creatures partake in a vital ritual, the consumption of grass and a variety of vegetation crucial for their sustenance and overall well-being. In the hill rainforest ecosystems, the dense canopy, interspersed with patches of open grassland, creates a microhabitat that is particularly rich in nutrients. The complex interplay of sunlight, moisture, and soil composition allows for the growth of a diverse array of flora, including grasses, shrubs, and fruit-bearing trees. As herbivorous mammals, Asian elephants exhibit a highly adaptable diet, consuming large quantities of grass and foliage that not only fuel their massive bodies, but also enable them to thrive in fluctuating environmental conditions. The practice of foraging in these verdant landscapes underscores the ecological importance of grasslands, which serve as essential feeding grounds for these animals. The social structure of the Asian elephant family is pivotal to their foraging activities. Typically matriarchal, a herd is often led by an experienced female who possesses the knowledge necessary to navigate the terrain and locate the most nutritious food sources. The younger elephants learn through observation and participation, reinforcing the transmission of vital survival skills within the family unit. This close-knit communal structure not only assists in locating food, but also provides protection against potential threats from predators, ensuring the survival of both adults and juveniles while they graze in these lush environments. The act of grazing itself has far-reaching ecological implications. As elephants wander through the grasslands, they not only consume vegetation, but also contribute to the shaping of the landscape. Their foraging habits facilitate seed dispersal and contribute to nutrient cycling, ultimately promoting diverse playful within the hill rainforest ecosystems. The trampling of vegetation by these large mammals creates openings in the canopy, allowing sunlight to penetrate and fostering the growth of various plant species. Thus, the Asian elephant stands as an architect of its habitat, emphasizing the interconnectedness of species and the importance of their ecological roles. However, the relationship between Asian elephants and their environment is increasingly threatened by human activities. Deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and encroachment on natural landscapes pose serious risks to the survival of these majestic creatures. As they are forced to share and adapt to modified landscapes, their traditional migratory routes are disrupted, affecting their ability to find adequate nutrition. Conservation efforts aimed at safeguarding the habitats of Asian elephants are imperative, not only for the preservation of this species, but for the wider ecological health of the rainforests. The Asian elephant family's foraging behavior in the hill rainforest mountains exemplifies the intricate connections that exist within ecosystems. Their role as herbivores and landscape architects is vital for maintaining the ecological balance, underscoring the need for conservation initiatives to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats. By safeguarding the rich biodiversity of the hill rainforest mountains, we acknowledge the profound significance of the Asian elephant, not just as a species in peril, but as a symbol of the ancient and complex relationships that define our natural world. As the sun sets and the twilight envelops the landscape, a remarkable spectacle unfolds amongst the lush foliage of tropical forests. The small-toothed palm civet, a relatively elusive yet captivating creature, emerges from its daytime hideouts to partake in one of nature's exquisite offerings, the fig fruit. This nocturnal forager, both a marvel of evolution and an integral component of its ecosystem, engages in a feast that is as evocative as it is essential for the health of its habitat. The small-toothed palm civet, with its unique morphology and behavioral traits, is an arboreal mammal that that has adapted excellently to its environment. Its keen sense of smell and flexible diet make it particularly adept at identifying ripe figs, which are often hidden among the dense foliage of their trees. These figs, in turn, serve not only as a vital food source for the civet, but also play a crucial role within the forest biodiversity. The consumption of figs results in the dispersal of seeds, fostering the growth of new plants and thereby maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Witnessing the civet delicately navigate the branches in pursuit of fig fruit is an awe-inspiring experience. Its nimble paws and agile movements allow it to traverse the trees with grace, reflecting a deep connection to its arboreal environment. As it plucks the succulent figs from their stems, one cannot help but admire the sensory delight captured in its expression. Each bite of the sweet flesh seems to convey sheer contentment, underscoring the significance of this dietary choice for the species. The fig fruit itself, often regarded as a small miracle of nature, is far more than just a delightful morsel. Rich in nutrients, figs are a source of sustenance not only for the small-toothed palm civet, but also for countless other vertebrates and invertebrates that inhabit the ecosystem. The fascinating interplay between the civet and the fig trees exemplifies the intricate relationship between flora and fauna, where each party contributes to the vitality of the other. This mutual reliance highlights the importance of biodiversity in sustaining life within tropical habitats. Moreover, the act of the small-toothed palm civet consuming figs transcends mere survival. It serves as a poignant reminder of the beauty that exists in the natural world. Every evening, as the civet indulges in its feast, it partakes in a timeless ritual that has been repeated for millennia. This moment not only illustrates the significance of the civet within its ecosystem, but also invites humans to reflect upon their own relationship with nature and the intrinsic value of preserving such interactions. The sight of a small-toothed palm civet energetically feeding on fig fruit as dusk descends is nothing short of magnificent. This scene encapsulates the wonders of life that flourish in the twilight hours, allowing spectators to marvel at the interconnectedness of all living beings. As we continue to navigate the challenges posed by environmental change, it becomes increasingly crucial to appreciate and protect the delicate networks that sustain wildlife, ensuring that future generations may likewise enjoy witnessing the simple yet profound spectacle of a civet enjoying the sweet bounty of figs in the evening's embrace.
Thank you for watching Animal Earth Documentary Channel. In an age where the dissemination of knowledge has become increasingly accessible, platforms that promote educational content play a pivotal role in enriching our understanding of the natural world. The Animal Earth Documentary Channel is a commendable endeavor, dedicated to showcasing the diverse and intricate lives of animals across our planet. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our viewers for their continued support and engagement with our content. The appreciation expressed towards our audience is not merely a courteous gesture, it underscores the fundamental relationship between creators and their viewers. Your viewership is integral to our mission. As it fuels our commitment to producing high-quality documentaries that inform and inspire. By subscribing to our channel, You not only offer encouragement for our ongoing efforts, but also contribute to the expansion of a community that values wildlife conservation and education. Thus, if you find resonance in our content, we invite you to subscribe to the Animal Earth documentary channel. Your support will enable us to continue our journey of exploration and discovery, bringing the wonders of the animal kingdom closer to viewers around the globe. Thank you for being part of this important initiative.